At number 5, we have the Mobil 1 High Mileage 0W-20. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It stands out for its ability to protect engines for up to 20,000 miles between oil changes, making it a top choice for vehicles with over 75,000 miles. This full synthetic formula uses a proprietary blend of high-performance synthetic base stocks and a precisely balanced additive system designed to combat sludge buildup and reduce leaks in aging engines. Its Triple Action Plus technology combines enhanced cleaning power with exceptional wear protection, ensuring critical components like timing chains and turbochargers remain safeguarded even under extreme temperatures ranging from -40 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The oil meets ILSAC GF6 standards, contributing to improved fuel efficiency while addressing low-speed pre-ignition risks common in modern engines. For drivers facing severe conditions, such as frequent short trips or dusty environments, the formula's oxidation stability helps maintain viscosity integrity over extended intervals. High-mileage engines benefit from specialized seal conditioners that minimize oil leakage and restore compromised gaskets, effectively extending engine life without compromising performance.